Welcome to TMO Off the Grid. I'm up here in the beautiful Blue Mountains, and I got a turn signal problem on my older 2000 model Dodge Dakota. So here it is. It's a little dirty, been up here. We had a little snow and rain the other day. The issue I've got, the old turn signal doesn't seem to be working, and I've narrowed it down. Everything seems to be, the fuses and such are good. I think it's in this switch. So ordered a new switch, and we're just going to take it apart. The first thing we're going to do is there's 3 screws here. One right here, one here, and one here. Now this is a 2000 Dakota. Once that's removed, this whole thing will come off like a clamshell on the top of the bottom. Let's get started. Screws, you pull those screws out on the bottom. They're like a T15 is what I found. This is a 2000 Dakota, and that pulls down off of here. And the reason I decided to start this video is that inside here, the parts that attach the turn signal on, well, if you can take a look, you see how that is? There's like a regular Torx bit, but there's a bump in the middle of it. That's what they call a anti-tamper Torx. So you take a look, you're going to need a Torx bit that's got a hole in it, all right? So I'm going to pull these off, and that should remove this, and we'll be able to get to it. It's rather simple, other than the fact you need the right tools. A little closer look on those Torx bits. There's a standard one. This is the one that came out from the clamshell that holds everything together, and this is the one that holds the turn signal on. And take a look in that. That's got that bump. A little closer look, and that's a T20 style. This is a T15 is what seemed to work for me without the bump. That's a standard Torx, but once you get it tore apart, you are going to need something with that hole in the middle. Once you've extracted those screws, you can just pivot this down. It'll come down in this area here, and in the very back there is a 8mm screw that I've already actually started removing. So let's just pull that out the rest of the way. Fairly long. That removes fairly easily, and then you pull this out and that comes apart. In the install, we just do the absolute opposite, but you can see it's pretty dingy dirty. You know, it's a 2000 model, and here it is 20 some years later. It probably due for replacement. Reinstallation's a snap. This new one just sits right on top, and I've got these screws that fit right back in here. Remember, these are those anti-tamper screws with the hole in the middle. In the back, I put that out 8mm, snapped in everything, and tightened it down nice and tight. These are on. Next thing's next. Put on that clamshell and give her a test run. All right, with it all installed, you just need to turn the little knob there. You can check. There's those windshield washers and wipers. They're working. Turn signals are working. Everything's all good to go. Easy job. Didn't take long. Hey, if you want to see more home and auto do-it-yourself projects or off-grid projects or some survival stuff or even a little bit of cooking and some good laughs, please follow us. Subscribe to TMO Off the Grid.